This question is about sequence and series. However, the very first part is actually about the construction of a right angle triangle. So let's have a look. So just to give you an overview of the question, you can see this is the sequence. The sequence is built of a right angle triangle. And one thing that doesn't change in the sequence is this side. It's one constantly. What changes obviously is the other two sides. So here we have in part A, the first four triangles in the sequence are shown on the coordinate axis, and we have to construct the next triangle in the sequence below. So how do we actually construct that? Now, what we are going to do, we're going to actually construct a perpendicular line. That will be the main thing. So I'm just going to give you an idea first. So we're going to extend this line, then we're going to mark on both sides of the line the same distance, using compass, and then we're going to, from both of those ends, we're going to mark a line, and that's how we will create the right angle, which is basically a perpendicular line. So that will be one, and then just will be a matter of joining the lines. Okay, so let's get at it. Let's take a ruler first, and we want to extend that line. Now, obviously, forgive me, the equipment here, I'm not going to be as accurate because it's a little bit difficult with this equipment. So we are extending this line. Then we're going to mark on both sides. So from that point, we're just going to mark a distance, not too big. Oh, so what we wanted to do on one side and then exactly on the other side. And then using the same, sorry, my thing has moved. And then on both sides, we mark, we need to make it a slightly bigger. Why? Otherwise, our arches are not going to meet. So we need to make it bigger so that they do meet. And then again, we take our ruler. Oh, this is so annoying, isn't it? If it is pen and paper, it's so much easier. But I want to show you a construction, and yeah, it's not marked accordingly. I can see that it's going to be a little bit off, but that's what I'm saying. When you have that on the paper, it's much better. And here we either can measure or move to the other side. Yes, so that's what I wanted to do. That is one. And then we can measure that one exactly here to have that line. So we know it's exactly the same length as presented to us. And now the only thing is to join that point with the very middle, isn't it? And again, yeah, mine is not going to be very accurate because, like I said, this equipment is not as accurate. So there it is. We've done the construction of the next triangle.